Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to explain how you can leave a group on Google Groups. So let us get started. So head over to your Google Groups account, make sure that you're logged in with the associated Google account. And what you want to do next is navigate to My Groups here on the left hand side. And what you want to do after that, guys, is go through that list of your groups you're a member of. And here to the right you will see this this button. So as you can see, I can't leave this group because I'm the only member of that group. I created it for demonstration purposes. So obviously you can only leave groups you're not the only member and the owner of, because in that case you would simply need to delete the group, and which is actually the same as leaving the group. However, if you're a regular member and would like to leave the given group, guys, you will see that button, click into it, confirm to leave the given group, and that's how it works, guys. Also, you can select one or more of these groups if you'd like to, for instance, bulk leave multiple groups, or click into this checkbox here, and then to the right you will see this option, leave selected groups, and then confirm to leave the selected groups at the same time in one take. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.